Hi, this is Chef Rakesh Yadav. We will make today Rocky roll. Let's see the ingredients. Simple and very fast. We can make this. This is the dark chocolate. Dates. We took Hajwa. You can use anyone. This is Turkish delight, and we can say it's kind of Bombay halwa. So this is pistachio, and this is our rose. This is our marshmallow, spatula biscuits, and pistachio flakes. So let's make now with this ingredients. First, this is pistachio, Turkish delight, ये rose Turkish delight, marshmallow, white, pistachio, miraculous biscuit, and this is the dates. One time mix all together. When we mix all together, now we mix all together. See, and now we need to add chocolate. And one thing I want to show you in this, you need to check the temperature before putting. So temperature should be 30. Our is still is 33. So what we will do now, I'll show you how to do that. If you have a little bit extra temperature, you need to pour like this. Hmm. So we add 4 kg in our 10 kg mixer. Now we need to mix. Need to mix nicely. Because we make little big quantity, we need to take care of hands and everything. Now we will put it in one tray. I'll show you how to add. Just add a little bit everywhere. See, one time clean because there have so much chocolate and everything is money. So you need to take care. 10. Now what we will do to put it in this way. This simple. You can take small. I'll remove this till because we have ordered this and we can make same time. I'll show you how to make. So little expensive, but you will enjoy 100%. So you need to only now take care all level. Okay. Now your base will be ready. Now we are ready for next step. Okay. This is the first step. Now I'll show you after. One give me second only. So this is see. This look like Rocky. Rocky road is like it's road with so much stones. So this is the concept. चलिए अब last step. हम 400 something chocolate we need to pour. Whatever chocolate we took on top, we'll need to spread. Now we will put inside. We'll put inside for little bit stuck. So we will cut after half an hour. You need to keep at least half an hour to 1 hour. You can put in chiller, you can put in freezer, it's up to you. So we will just put it in our chiller. चलिए अब हमने ये स्लैब निकाल ली है। आप देख सकते हैं कितनी यूनिक, एकदम रॉकी रोड जैसी है। तो रॉकी रोड इसका नाम इसलिए पड़ा है, आप देख सकते हैं इसमें ये जो स्टोन्स दिखते हैं, मार्शमैलो ये सब स्टोन्स जैसे दिखते हैं। चलिए अब हम इसे काट के दिखा देते हैं आपको। और ये हमारे रेडी हो गए हैं। आप ऐसे ऐसे पीस काट लें और पीस के साथ आप बना लें इसे। तो अब आप देख सकते हैं ये है यूनिक प्रोडक्ट। मैं इसे हटा देता हूँ एक बार और टेस्ट करके बताता हूँ। अमेजिंग, दिस इज़ वेरी नाइस टेस्ट वाइज। फाइनल प्रोडक्ट ये है, आप देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू।